Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you are well. If you are new to my video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to get balance of nature coupon code discount and promo code. You have to go to my video description link and click continue button. Now here you can see 35% off natural whole food supplements with coupon code. Also here you can see free fiber and spice supplement plus 25% of your order if you sign up with your email. Click shop now button, you will go to the official website. Now here you can see easy get 31 fruit and vegetable ingredients with balance of nature. Here you can see their supplements like whole health system fruits and vegetable fiber and spice. Also, their supplements they have aloe vera, apple, bananas, blueberries, and many more fruits. They have. If you like their supplements, you can order. Also, they have 30-day your first purchase return policy. If you need any kind of support, you can go to the website last option and call on this number or click customer support option. They will help you. Also, you will chat with them. If you think my video help you, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in another new video.